Hey Mustangs, we need your help. Things are a little different this year with the yearbook due to the current ongoing pandemic. We aren't able to take photos at school this year unlike previous years, so we need everyone to submit photos of themselves for the yearbook, and here's how. The first step to this is to take a portrait photo of yourself at home. Make sure in this photo that you're wearing your St. Martin's uniform shirt, and also this photo should just be a face shot that includes your head and shoulders. Also, when taking this photo, make sure you have a clean background behind you with nothing in it. Make sure your photo isn't a whole body shot, but rather only a portrait shot. Also, try to avoid any kind of shadows behind you or anything that may be distracting in the background. And finally, try to avoid any kind of headwear in your photos such as hats or bandanas. Once you've taken your photo, you can move on to step 2, which is heading over to www.hjeshare.com. Once you've made it to the website, it will ask you for a school code. Our school code is St. Martin. Once you've done that, you have to fill out this small form that includes your name, last name, and your phone number or email, so that way we can contact you if there's an issue with your portrait. And once you're done that, you can head over to the bottom of the page to upload your student portrait. Make sure when you're uploading your student portrait, you hit the tab that says click here to upload a student portrait. And once you've uploaded your portrait, make sure you just submit it and then you're done. These portraits are due March 1st, so get them in as soon as possible.